Okay, so you might be given something where it's a composition of different transformations here. So for example, this one is find the translation 4 comma negative 3 of the reflection of negative 2 of triangle ABC. So the way we go about this is we always start with the one that's closest on the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reflect over this line, x equals negative 2. And so we do that just like a normal reflection. And so I'm going to mark this A prime. The B becomes my B prime over here. And then C goes the opposite way on the other side, and that's C prime. So this is my new triangle here that I'm dealing with. This is my image that I'm going to work with, and it's going to become the pre-image for my next operation here. So now I'm going to do this in like teal blue, but then I'm going to do this transformation second, or this translation second. So then I need to move everything to the right 4 and down 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3. That's going to be my B double prime. Same thing with A, goes to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, 3. So that's A double prime. And C does the same thing from C prime. So over to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1, 2, and 3. So that's C double prime. So I would end up with my final piece like this. Now what's expected is that you're able to show all of the steps. You need to have both of all three of these triangles in there. You need to have the image. You need to have the pre-image and then the original image. So at this point, you should get something and you should be able to figure these out like this.